Hello friends, in the learning series of C Sharp, we will start working on stack classes. Or we can say we have namespaces, which are collections namespaces. Namespaces basically are some collections, or we can say generic libraries which are used from the system library. Just like any other system library, inherit some properties by using keyword through system library. So in this series, we'll start working upon stack classes, which are a collection names. So stacks are represent last in first out collection of objects. Last in first out, whenever we try to implement something like try to implement something like in a row. So the last element will be last element will be the input of the stack, and uh, the first element will be the output or out of the line. This for example, you can assume the line a line has been drawn, or a queue, or line has been maintained. Uh, Not queue, a line has been maintained. You can suppose a bus where you only have to enter from the backside of the second gate, means the last gate, and out you have to out from the first gate, very first gate. So this is how you can assume the list. How you can assume the list where in which we are having a list. We are having a list. So from the last, it will be in, and the first will be last in, first out. This will be a stack. Okay, so a stack generally maintains last in first out collection of objects. It is used when you need a last in first out access to items. When you add an item in the list, it's called pushing an item, and when you remove it, it is called popping. So whenever you try to push an element, suppose in here I want to push some value like 2, so I pushed here. I pushed again a value, means I have to push a value again. So 2 has been pushed here. So again I want to push a value. So 2 has been replaced. 2 now 2 will be 2 will be this 2, this 2 this 2 will be now written here, and 3 will be pushed here. If we now wanted to push another value, the 2 or 3 is already there. The 2 so 2 and 3 will be there, and 4 will be pushed again. So only push operation will be performed from the last element. Okay. So this is how it works. Whenever we try to like push an element, and when we want to remove, so it will be popped from the very first out. So this class comes under system.collections namespace. This is how I told you. By using keyword, you can use this collection object where using system.collection you can use in the your code. So characteristics stack classes, the capacity of stack is the number of elements the stack can hold, and as elements are added to a stack, the capacity is automatically increased as required to reallocation. If count is less than the capacity of stack, if count is less than the capacity of stack, push is big of one operation, and if the capacity needs to be increased to accommodate the new element, push becomes a big of an operation. This is how one and an operation were done. And in the count we can say, and pop is 0 1 operation, means we are removing an element. Pushing becomes one a big of an operation, and popping becomes big of one operation. Stack accepts null as valid value and allows duplicate. So what stack will do? Stack will accept the null value. If you try to remember like this, stack, what will stack do? Stack will accept the null value and null as valid value, and allows duplicate elements also. So this is when we try to like when we try to uh, when we try to means if I try to like either here. So when we try to do stack, so the stack initializes an instance of a stack class that is empty and has the default initial capacity. So stack method, when a constructor or stack method will be used, a constructor will use. So what this stack constructor will do, it initialize a new instance of a stack class that is empty. It instances a new instance of a stack class that is empty and has the default initial capacity. So this constructor will use. If stack collect I collection constructor is used, it initializes a new instance of the stack class that contains element copied from the specified collection and uh, and and the same initial capacity as the number of the element copied. Try to use this stack integer 32. So this inside the new instance of a stack class and that is empty and has a specified initial capacity or the default initial capacity whichever is greater. So we will have three type of constructor: stack, stack I collection, stack I in 32. We have by which can initialize a new instance of a stack. Whatever the condition is, that is empty also, or that contain copied value or specified collection. So these are collection specified collection has the same initial capacity as the number element copy. So we have some example over here. We have to create a stack. How we can create a stack using a C# code. So first we will use the system library using, and we will use collection library as well, system.collection library as well. And by using this, we can if we use these namespaces, now we can create only a class, a single class. We created over here, and this is a driver code we are writing for like main method we have to write. So we only wanted to create a stack. So this is a driver code where we only wanted to create a stack which will contain some elements. So this is how I declare a stack, my stack, which will be a stack method. Where I declare the stack method as it initializes the new instance of stack class that is empty has a default initial capacity. Stack has some default initial capacity, so and it will be empty stack. It will load an empty stack. So the inserting an element into a stack. So my stack dot push is my stack dot push first element, second element, third element, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Just like that, displaying the count of elements contained in the stack. So we'll displaying the how many elements are stack contained. So my stack dot count is console dot find light count we did. And now displaying the top element. So element is on top. My stack dot p. So how will you will display top element by using p, and this is how displaying a top element of stack without removing it from the stack. We without removing it. So my stack dot p. So this is how without removing it from the stack. Now displaying the count of element contained in the stack. So count of element we also. So what is the element? Sixth element here p, and sixth element here the top is also there. Two times stop is there, and total number of elements contained which are count is also available. So count is synchronized and sync root we can use as property. Sync root understood that count what will return the count get the number of elements contained in the stack, and is synchronized means get a value indicating whether access to stack is synchronized. That means step or not. And sync root is also like that. Gets an object that can be used to synchronize access to. Now this is how the properties of this count in synchronized and sync root will work. So now we will have an example where we like in C# code get the number of element contained in the stack. Using system or using system.collection we are creating some class over here. So private proprietary directly a main method is created. Stack is created. Simple stack method. Each of the stack method constructed is here. You can simply create the stack. And now my stack object, this variable will push elements. Okay, these elements are pushed, and now how we are counting and displaying the elements. So this is counting will be 6. Okay, will be 6 only. And where is we have clear method removes all the object from the stack. Clone method creates shallow copy of the stack. Contains object determines whether the element is in stack or not. Copy to array integer 32. Copies the stack and existing one dimensional array starting at the specified array index. This is what we do. Determines whether the specified object is equal to the current object. Equals get numerator returns an I numerator from the stack, and get hash code serves the default hash function. Get type, just like that, gets the type of the current string. Member wise clone creates a shallow copy of the current object. Method returns the object at the top of the stack without removing it. Pop removes and returns the object at the top of the stack. What will push do? Push object, this insert an object at the top of stack. And synchronized stack returns synchronized, means third safe wrapper for the stack. To array copies the stack to a new array, and to string returns the string that represents the class. How these method will work. This method will work. This is how it is described over here. Now we also again use system class, library class. Now in this by using system.collection, we can use main method. Now we are creating stack. We are pushing those elements. Now we are displaying those elements console.write. We are like counting those elements. Now we are clearing all the elements. Now we are like counting all the elements. Now after clearing, we are again counting. So what will be the output here? 6 is the total number of stack is there. Total number is also my count is available. So count will be 6. Now clear will be 0, and again the example will be count will be again count is there. Let's count total number of count is 0. Now count is 0. So check code to check if a stack contains an element. So we are checking the code stack. This is the stack. These are the variables. These are the push elements we pushed over here. Now we like console.write line my stack dot contain CS Galaxy. So is there CS Galaxy is there the stack or not? So this is how contains we use. So this contains we like first here contains we. So this contains object. Okay, object name is also provided over. Contains an object name is also provided. Contains CS Galaxy. How we like use these all these collections, or we can say we are using stack classes. These are stack classes, basically collections namespaces. So these are used whenever we try to add a namespace or add a stack class. So in the next class we discuss about more names collection namespaces. Till then, thank you, bye.